One person confirmed dead. Over 60 injured as over 200 missiles rained down on Tel Aviv. This is breaking news. Earlier today, Israel reportedly carried out airstrikes on numerous locations in Iran, including the residences of Iran's military leadership, as well as both military and nuclear facilities. The Israeli Defense Forces said that they had, quote, neutralized several senior Iranian officers, including IRGC Commander General Hossein Salami, the Iranian Army Chief of Staff General Bagheri, and Major General Ghalam Ali Rashid, the commander of Khatam al-Anbiya headquarters, as well as 6 scientists. In response, Iran launched what it called Operation True Promise 3, firing over 200 missiles at Israel in 4 separate phases. According to Israeli media, at least 4 people were killed and over 60 injured. We are now getting our first look at some of the destruction in Tel Aviv and its surrounding areas. This is a video from Ramat Gan, which is right next to Tel Aviv. It shows the damage to buildings and vehicles. Iranian media is also broadcasting footage, which it says shows the destruction in Tel Aviv caused by its missile barrage. We'll bring you the latest on this developing story. Follow us for live coverage.